अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आई होप आप लोग सब ठीक होंगे। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं भी ठीक। फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट हमारा मेन टॉपिक है, जिसके इस वीडियो का मेन टॉपिक है फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट। फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट के थोड़े कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज आपको इस स्लाइड्स में मैं बताऊंगी। व्हाट इज़ फाइनेंस? Meaning of financial management refers to the efficient and effective management of money in such a manner as to accomplish the objectives of the organization. It is the specialized function directly associated with the top management. The significance of this function is not seen in the line but also in the capacity of staff in all of the company. It has been defined differently by different experts in the field. Nature of financial management. Planning is an inextricable dimension of financial management. The term financial management connotes that funds flows are directed according to some plan by James Van Horn. Financial management is that activity of management which is concerned with the planning, procuring, and controlling of the firm's financial resources by Deepika Mayarani. Financial management is the operational activity of the business that is responsible for obtaining and effectively utilizing the firm's necessity of efficient operation. ये सब scope of financial management. Estimating the requirement of funds, business make a forecast on funds needed in both short run and long run. Hence, they can improve the efficiency of funding. The estimation is based on the budget, for example, sale budget, production budget. Determining the capital structure. Capital structure is how a firm finances its overall operations and growth by using the different sources of funds. Once the requirement of funds has estimated, the financial manager should decide the mix of debt and equity and also types of debt. Investment fund. A good investment plan can bring a business huge returns. Objective financial management. Profit maximization occurs when marginal cost is equal to a marginal revenue. This is the main objective of financial management. Wealth maximization means maximization of shareholders' wealth. It is an advanced goal compared to profit maximization. Survival of company is an important consideration when the financial manager makes any financial decision. One incorrect decision may lead the company to be bankrupt. This is original structures. This is the structure of our board of directors. Original structure of financial management. Functions of financial management. Finance functions are carried on to achieve the objective to a firm. There are mainly two approaches to express the financial function. The first approach relates it to collection of funds. The second approach relates finance functions to the procurements of funds and their effective utilization. The first ignores the uses of funds. It was major finance function at the early stage of the development of finance. The second is comprehensive and universally accepted. We are following this second one. Investment of funds, disposal of surplus, management of cash, financial controls. This is the management of cash and financial control. Responsibility of financial management, जिसमें आता है राइजिंग ऑफ फंड्स, एलोकेशन ऑफ फंड्स. प्रॉफिट प्लानिंग भी यहाँ पे है, पॉइंट के हिसाब से बताई हुई है प्रॉफिट प्लानिंग. अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैपिटल मार्केट्स. अब मार्केट इसको कैपिटल है, हमको अंडरस्टैंड करना. ये शेयर्स वगैरह है. रिलेटेड डिसिप्लिन इनके हैं फाइनेंस के एंड अकाउंटिंग के. The two are embedded with different disciplines. The finance is the discipline which is mainly based on the cash basis of operation, but the accounting is totally governed by actuarial systems. Accounting is mainly vested with the collection and presentation of data, but the finance is closely connected with the decision making of the organization. Till Till this moment, the differences are discussed only to know the role of finance over the accounting of any organization. The following is the major relationship which lies between the finance and accounting as follows. Finance begins where accounting ends. मीनिंग ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट है यहाँ पे बैलेंस शीट है, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ बैलेंस शीट, ओल्ड फॉर्मेट ऑफ अ बैलेंस शीट, न्यू फॉर्मेट ऑफ अ बैलेंस शीट. This is a major difference between old schedule versus a revised schedule. I hope you like this video. Khuda Hafiz.